project, you're going to need scissors, a ruler, a marking pen or chalk pencil, a yardstick, a plastic basket, and 2 pieces of fabric. Roughly 3/4 of a yard works for each type. You will also need masking tape. This is also an option. It's a cutting mat marked with cubic inches and works very well for this project. Measure 7 inches out from each side of your plastic basket. Now you're going to tape your fabric. Measure 3 inches up on your yardstick or cutting mat and tape all the way across the fabric. Repeat this on each side. Then you can grab a ruler and check your measurements. Now you can go ahead and cut out the squares of fabric from the corners where the tape intersects. Do this to each of the corners. Now, in order to get the tape out of the way, fold it up and put it on the other pieces of masking tape. Again, do this to every side. Now, get your yardstick or cutting mat and prepare to cut the tassels in the fabric. You can use a yardstick for this part, but I'm going to be using this cutting mat with cubic inches. If you like, you can mark out each inch with a chalk pencil, but I just use the measurements and cut from there. Remember to cut all the way up to the tape when you're doing this. Now, remove all of the tape. Smooth it out and do the entire process again to your other piece of fabric. Now line your 2 pieces of fabric up together and start tying the knots. You can honestly do this any way you want, but this is how I do it. Go ahead and tie the knots all the way around, connecting your 2 sheets of fabric. A lot of times there's going to be an uneven amount of tassels on one side of the blanket. Tie your knots like this to make sure that it still works the same. You're almost done. Now, gently tug on the sides of the blanket to make it more of a square shape. You might hear some popping noises, but that's okay. Here's your finished product. I hope you liked the tutorial and had fun making your cat bed. Thanks for watching!